Hey everyone, this is Mazen Salah. In this video, I'll show you how to auto-prefix CSS properties in order to verify that your website is compatible with all web browsers. So instead of wasting time in checking which properties need prefixes, especially if you're working with a large CSS file, you simply use this tool and it will take the heavy lifting from you. Now let's go ahead and get this tool. First, you can see that I have this CSS file and I have this CSS property. Actually, this CSS property needs a vendor prefix, but I'm not gonna bother myself and put it manually. Instead of that, I will use the auto prefixer. So to download the CSS auto prefixer, first we need npm from Node.js because it's a CMD tool. Let's go to the web browser and download Node.js. Just search download Node.js. You will go to this search result nodejs.org. This is the download page and you will get Windows if you have Windows. You will get Mac if you have Mac. I have Windows 11, so I will get this. Just press on it and it will start downloading automatically. Once the download completes, you will click on the file. Here from the setup wizard, you will click next, accept the terms, next. This is the installation path, next, and finally I'll click install. After the installation finishes, you will click on finish. Now I will go to the directory of the project in File Explorer. This is the directory of this project. This is index.html and this is style.css. This directory, you can see this style.css and this is index.html. Here in the File Explorer, I will click on this bar and write CMD and then press on enter. This will open the CMD on this directory. Now I will download and install Postcss. I have already stored the command for installing this tool. This is the npm command that we will use to install Postcss on Windows. I will copy it. For you, you will pause the screen and write it in your CMD. I'll go to CMD, Ctrl V, and I'll click enter. It will start downloading the tool from the internet. Now you can see that it's installed successfully. Now I can use the tool to auto prefix my CSS file. This is the command that we will use. I will copy it, go back to CMD, I'll paste it here. Postcss is the name of the tool. This is an option, use auto prefixer, because we want to use the auto prefixer. This is the output file. This is the name of the output file. It's gonna be custom prefix.css, and this is the name of the file that contains the properties that we want to prefix. My CSS file is named style.css, so I will change this to style.css. Go to here and write style.css and then I'll click enter. Once I click enter and go back to the File Explorer, you can see that a new CSS file is created. Inside this CSS file, I'll go to Visual Studio Code. You can see that it contains the same code in file style.css along with some additional lines, which are these ones: WebKit appearance and Moz appearance. These are the prefixes for the appearance property. So the tool auto prefixed the properties for us successfully. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have an idea for the next video, please type it in the comment section. See you in the next one.